Hey, what's poppin' YouTube? Welcome back to my channel, STLmadeVonta. And if you're new to the channel, thanks for tuning in. You watching my ASMR unboxing on my new Apple M4 computer. You know, I know I've been gone for a minute, but now I'm back. I hope y'all miss me as much as I miss shooting these videos, because this is what we do. But before I let y'all go, I want to leave y'all with an inspirational quote. Life is a journey and not a destination. So doing your best right now in this moment put you in the best place for the next moment. So if your dream is to do YouTube, get a new job, or start that business you've been waiting to start, keep going and keep dreaming until it's yours, in your face and in your hands. Don't give up. Keep dreaming and keep pursuing until you reach what's yours. You know what I'm saying? You watching STLmadeVonta, and thanks for tuning in.
Fuck with your
I ain't gonna hold
boys.
you much longer. We're gonna get right into this unboxing.
to use English as the main language, press the return key.
Yo, if you made it this far into the video, thanks for watching, thanks for tuning in. Had this computer since about March, but I was waiting to unbox it with y'all. It's September now, and I didn't have this computer since March. And now we finally got it open. So shout out to y'all for that. With this computer, I feel like I'm gonna touch my first 6 figures with it. We're gonna do more than just edit YouTube videos, surf the web on it. We're gonna be making money with this computer. And that's what this whole channel was based around, to entertain y'all, and y'all follow me on this journey to get this paper and get outside this rat race. You know what I'm saying? Because that's the whole reason I got into YouTube. Create some passive income, and it's actually a hobby I enjoy too. So yeah. So thanks for watching this video, y'all. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you like and subscribe.
Fuck with
This is
your
my first
boys.
time doing an ASMR video. So tell me what y'all think about how I did in the comments down below. And if you like these type of videos, put in the comments if you want me to do something similar or something around it. Just let me know. And y'all stay tuned for my next videos. STLmadeVonta, we out.
We make it look easy.